Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I will show you how to put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to begin by powering off your device. Once the device turns off, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, there we go, so it turned off. So now we can hold power key and volume up. Once you see the boot mode, you want to let go of those keys, and then using only volume up to navigate, select the middle option. So you want this arrow to select the middle option. There we go, and then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go. That is how you boot your device into Fastboot mode. Now to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. So I'm going to do that right now. Once the screen turns off, let go of the key and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.